Hi there, this is Shrikant Dasari. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about how to obtain information from various sources in the internet other than Google. Okay, so regularly, what we tend to do is if we need to obtain any information, we just type it in Google, and we tend to obtain information from Wikipedia or various other regular websites. Okay, so apart from that, so we can obtain information from various sources, and which I tend to use mostly regarding doing some research or learning new things, okay, and happenings about various technologies. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show it to you is the Yahoo Answers, okay, which is this one. So Yahoo Answers is the website from Yahoo, so which is created for the purpose of solving answers which were posted to this website. Okay, so there are solving questions which were posted to this website. So many people tend to log in and update their queries and obtain the answers from other users. Okay, so there are many options here in the home button, like cricket, celebrities, and so on and so forth, which are all the various services given by Yahoo. And also there are various categories on the left if you observe, like arts and humanities, and beauty and style, computers and internet, and so on and so forth. Since I am a programming guy and a lecturer by profession, so I always tend to go to this section directly, computers and internet. Okay, so here you have various queries to obtain information. For example, if you are looking for supercomputer, okay, so if you need any information about supercomputer, you can just type supercomputer, and then you might get automatic listing of various questions regarding supercomputers here. Okay, so you can take that questions, read those questions, or directly, or you can search Yahoo Answers directly. Okay, so you will get all the various so as soon as you hit the search Yahoo Answers button, you get all the questions which were posted on this topic. Okay, so you can click any of the question, answer supercomputer, which is the world's fastest supercomputer. Okay, so you get information in a refined way, rather than reading the whole content from the Wikipedia or something like that. Okay, so various people tend to log in, and they may post some important links. So here some guy has posted even the Wikipedia link also. Okay, sometimes there might be very informative websites which were posted regarding based on the question here. Okay, so best answer is this one, which was being tagged as the best answer. Okay, you could find more amount of information here if you keep on reading this. Okay, so in the same way, if you want to obtain about information like let's say arrays in Java, something like this. Okay, so if you want any information about the arrays concept in Java, so how the people are tend to post those questions, so what are the problems they face in Java, or the difficulty in theoretically or programmatically, or what are the things they wanted to know in Java apart from the regular curriculum, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here if you they have posted a question here, help with array in Java. Okay, so some guy has a problem with arrays, and he has written a big and lengthy article. So if you are already good with arrays, you have some knowledge, if you want, you can read that question, and you can try it on your own, or you can look into the various answers which were given by the users like us, who has a certain amount of knowledge in Java. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is all about querying information, obtaining information from Yahoo Answers, which is a good website. Okay, so in the same way, we have the next one. We are going to the next one, which is Quora.com from Quora. Okay, so this has gained a huge popularity these days. Okay, so here if you want to obtain any information like regarding question, this is also a typical question answers site here regarding technology mostly. Okay, not only technology, and all other social issues also. So here if you want to obtain some information about data structures, so automatically it pops up with a list of tags or queries containing the data here. So if you want to obtain some information about data structures, you can click that, and you can check what's happening around the world with this topic called data structures here. Okay, so in the same way, we have okay, so we can find the various queries regarding the data structures here. Okay, so various queries regarding the data structures like algorithms and problems, data structure problems, various the books. Okay, so 6 more questions you can get here regarding the data structures here. Or if you want to be more specific in data structures, you can type something like this: stack, something like stack data structure or something like that. Okay, so if you want more information, so what is the stack, and people asking so many questions regarding the stack, and various experts around the world will be answering the questions with some diagrams, wonderful diagrams and beautiful diagrams. Okay, so you can click on that diagram to enlarge that one. Okay, so you can get a whole good information about any topic. Okay, so you can read answers, you can answer, you can read them, or you can ask any question, something like that. Okay, you can log in and ask any question. So this is also a good website, quora.com. So in the same way, we have Reddit also. So you might be very familiar with Reddit. Okay, so this is a social media kind of website here. Okay, so there are many tags here, like new topic, new topics, new or latest trends, what is happening around the world. The controversial topics are there. If you want to search, browse information directly. Okay, so or else if you want to search information, you can search directly here. So for example, if you want to obtain any information about exception handling, okay, about an exception handling in C++ or something like that. So if you type that query there, or in the form of a question, so you get a lot of information regarding that. So people tend to answer that. Okay, or else so we click any new one here, subreddits. Okay, so there are many things related to that would be obtained, or else you can say directly that Java programming. So to be very more specific what you wanted in an overall view. So regarding all the Java programming questions or whatever the posts, they're better to say that this is not a question answer site like Yahoo Answers or Quora. This is just a information sharing site. Okay, so people like writing articles on various topics here. Okay, so Java programming and Java tech discussions and code wars and so many things are there. Okay, so if you want to post, there are many posts are there, and also there are subreddit edits are there. Okay, so you can read and you can edit and you can comment on that. So what is the fate of Java? So this is a very so there are many posts are there in that. So people asking about some questions, and many of the experts were answering on those queries there. Okay, so this is another good site, Reddit. Can remember that also. You can bookmark that, no need to worry. I will provide all the links in the description section of this video tutorial after this gets finished. Okay, in the same way we have Stack Overflow. So this is known as Stack Overflow. So you might all be familiar with this, I think. Okay, so if you go to the tags section directly, so you get the various tags here based on all the topics in the world of programming. So we have Java, Android, jQuery, Python, C#. So if you want to know what the world is asking about HTML, okay, so you can go to HTML section and you get all the latest questions or problems which were posted by the developers around the world. Okay, so this is more a professional kind of information getting website here. Okay, so many professionals while working with those various technologies like HTML, PHP or JavaScript and so on and so forth, they might get problems in between while they are developing applications. So immediately they post those problems here, and other developers or experts immediately answer those questions. Okay, so in this way they help each other using this platform, which is known as stackoverflow.com. Okay, so you have all the basic things and advanced things also. So if you want to know about C programming also, if you go to again the tags and C++, also you can have C, or if you go to C++ also you can have all the basic questions like constructor, class type, returns a value. So someone has asked some question. Okay, so if you can read this question, this is more a problem than a question. So if you have some considerable amount of knowledge on C or C++, so you can try to answer that, or else you can know the answer of how the others are answering those questions. Okay, So this is also a good website, Stack Overflow, and the other one is I'm going to tell you is about the difference between .com. Okay, so this is more theoretical website which is based on comparison based learning. Okay, so here you have many options in the menu here. So if you go to technology section, in the IT section, so you have all the related difference between questions in related to the technology world here, and that too specifically in the IT. So if you go to programming part, you can have difference between the open source. You see, this is very helpful when you are going for a job interview, or if you are facing any lab examinations, or if anyone is asking you questions. You can ask them what is the difference between open source and proprietary software. You can learn with various examples. Okay, so if you click on that, you will find all the information regarding that topic. Comparative based learning is also a good thing that can happen to us, because we can learn the difference between, and more thoroughly we can understand the concept here. Okay, it's not only programming world. Here they have all the different sections in the society, like health, education, parenting, men, medicine, and everything. Go to men's section. So there they have a lot of topics comparatively. Okay. So last but not least, we have Wiki Books here. Okay. So other than Wikipedia, Wiki Books is also very great website just to obtain a lot of information, valuable information written by various authors and enthusiasts around the world. Okay. So if you just type let's say C programming, okay, so you will find various books regarding the C programming topic here, various books regarding the C programming topic, and so directly it had taken me to that Wikipedia book regarding the C programming. So it has a lot of contents which are the topics enlisted in the C programming language, and also you can download this book in a PDF version. So if you want to take a printout and keep it for the future reference, and also there is an ebook reader optimized version is also available. So if you have a Kindle or some sort of iPad or something like that. Okay. So this is it, all about the various information and the sources about starting from the first one is Yahoo Answers, the second one is Quora.com, and the third one is Reddit. Okay. And also the very most familiar thing, which is Stack Overflow, which were used to solve the problems obtained while developing applications in the programming, mostly in the programming part. And also the comparative based learning, which is known as difference between .com. So where you have a lot of questions based difference between two main important buzzwords, for example, between OS X, Mavericks, and OSMite. So what are the main differences you can get in a good theoretical essay form, which is a good read also. Okay. And then last but not the least, we have just seen about the Wiki Books. Okay, so various books are written by the open source world. Okay, so others around the world tend to edit these books and update the content regularly. Okay, so this is it all about. Hope you liked the video. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.